Your first serious fault. Bus lane, Witten Park. Your first serious fault. Bus lane, Witten Park.
Yeah. Should I have been in it?
I don't know, you tell me. There were big visible signs there, not one, two of them, big ones, with the timings and the days on it as well. Did you saw them?
No, I didn't, to be fair. I was gonna go in it, but I was a bit hesitant again.
Yeah, you can't just go in it. You need to see the sign. This is part of your observations, anticipation, and planning skills. You can see the sign is telling you the bus lane in force Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. only. What does that mean?
That you can drive. You can't drive in it in that time, but out of it you can.
So what time is it right now?
2:30.
So why the time we were there was about 2 o'clock, isn't it? So do we have been on the bus lane or not on the bus lane?
Well, we should have been on it then, yeah.
We shouldn't, or we should have been.
You should have been.
What time is the bus lane? What is the timing?
7:30 to 9:30.
7:30 to 9 a.m. or p.m.?
AM.
a.m. So this is p.m. now, isn't it?
Yeah.
To make it shorter, that only that one is a school. I just make a joke with everyone. Is a school run bus lane. So after 9 a.m. you should be on there. Okay, you were driving there. Now the issue is, as you were going at the end of the bus lane and the normal lane are merging into the one lane. Yeah?
Yeah.
What safety check? So I use the word merging, isn't it? Yeah. When you were merging, because you're in the right lane into this one, what safety check you must have done?
Checked your left mirror.
Center and
left mirror.
the left mirror. Did you do that?
No.
So even if I become a lenient with you, you didn't do it. So, but I'm not going to become lenient. You should have been on a bus lane.
Yeah.
But you didn't. You should be on the bus lane. Remember this next time. Look out for the signs. And if you've been driving on the bus lane, you should have been looking your center and the right mirror. Because you were driving there, you should be looking center and left mirror. So you know if anybody else overtaking you or not.
Yeah.
So that will be another serious fault. Merging for not doing your safety check. So 2 serious fault there.
Yeah.